Now, St. Jago High defeated Calabar High by 62 runs in the ISSA Urban Area T20 competition played at St. Jago on Monday. Electing to bat, St. Jago were bowled out for 92. Lyndale Anderson top scored with 39, with the next best scorer being Kedon Harrison, who contributed 11 not out. Deshaun Wright with 5 for 11 was the pick of the bowlers for Calabar. In their chase, Calabar were skittled out for a mere 31. No Calabar batter got more than 3 runs as there were 9 wides in the innings. DeJohnny Williams, 4 for 4, was the chief destroyer for St. Jago. He was supported by Milton Locane and Antonio Buckley, who both bagged 3 wickets.
I think our batters underestimated Calabar, and they never executed according to plan. So we were crumbling at 25 for 8 until the vice captain stood up and we put on a respectable total, and then we restrict Calabar to 31 all out.
We're very tired in this game, by the way, so now we'll get enough time to prepare for the next game and do our best in the next game, and we'll go forward after the next game.
We're executing our plan very well, restricting them to 25 for 8 runs, and however it just all fall down with a couple bowlers and a couple misfielding, but I still think that we executed well in our bowling aspect.
Meanwhile,